Hello dear children and my lovely friends. Today we are making very easy but all-time favorite chicken sandwiches. For this we will need some lettuce if you guys have it in your fridge. For this we will also need few slices of cucumbers, and I have the seedless ones, and few slices of tomatoes. Cucumber pieces, some cucumber pieces, tomato pieces, slices, tomato slices, some slices of seedless cucumber, ketchup, green sauce if you have any, mayonnaise. This is a leftover baked chicken tandoori masala. I'm gonna shred it into small pieces like this. Then if you have any butter or margarine, otherwise we can only use the mayonnaise. And for those who likes the white cheese, we have these white cheese slices. And in the layers, I also have these whole wheat bread slices. In one of the layers we are gonna add a fried egg. I'm gonna show how we have to fry the egg, and if you don't like fried egg, we can always use these cheese slices in that layer. So let's start assembling it. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise as a binding agent in the shredded chicken and give it a mix. For the first slice, I'm gonna spread butter. Now I'm gonna spread the chicken mix. On the second slice of bread, I'm gonna add some green chutney and spread it nicely. After spreading the green chutney, I have this lettuce leaf. I'm gonna put this, some slices of tomatoes, slices of cucumbers. Place it on top of this one. For the third slice, I'm gonna add some ketchup and spread it evenly. If you're making any sandwich, make sure you cover the sides, the corners of the bread very nicely, because when you're taking a bite, it really matters. If it's like with no taste or flavoring, it doesn't look good. So spread evenly, nicely this ketchup, paying attention to the corners. On this layer, I'm gonna fry an egg and layer it with that. Salt and black pepper powder, and we are gonna just give it a nice mix. In less than 1 teaspoon of oil in the frying pan, I'm gonna just cook it, fry it, nice, mixed and whisked. So this is how the egg will look, and I'm gonna just place it on top of the slice which I had the ketchup on, and then I'm gonna place this on top of this. In the last bread slice, I'm just gonna add the mayonnaise. So this is how it looks. Now we just have to it a little bit and cut through all the nice yummy layers of the bread. And now have a look at the layers. This is how it looks like. I'm gonna present it more nicely in a minute. So this is the chicken club sandwich, and this type or this recipe is so famous when we used to study. And in the city of Pakistan, Karachi, there is a famous place where they serve chicken club sandwiches. That's what they called it over there, and they serve it like this. Give it a try and you can have, oh my god, look at this big bag of Cape Cod kettle cooked potato chips. They are 40% reduced fat, so they will take care of the mayonnaise and all the butter we are using in the club sandwiches at least. And you can have it with any kind of fries, or just like this with any of your favorite drink. Enjoy it. We are coming up with another less intense, less fattening type of chicken sandwiches, and less layering actually. For the first slice of bread, I'm gonna spread some mayonnaise. For the second one, some tomato ketchup, and for the third one, I'm just gonna leave it with mayonnaise or butter as you wish. So for a simple sandwich, we had mayonnaise on this bread slice, and then I added the chicken mixture. On the second one, we have tomato ketchup spread nicely and evenly. I'm gonna put any slice of cheese. We have the white slice, and then I'm gonna add some lettuce. On the second slice, I spreaded the tomato ketchup along with some lettuce leaves, some slices of tomatoes, and some slices of seedless cucumbers. And now I'm gonna just assemble it as it is. So on top of the first one, we are gonna add, and then the last slice with the mayonnaise will go on top of this facing downwards. Now I'm gonna just cut them nicely and show you how it looks like. Have a look. This is how they look like. We can have some nice fancy or regular toothpick to hold everything, all the dressing and all the bread slices together. So these ones are with a layer of fried egg in them, and they has 4 slices. Enjoy this. Give it a try. If you like it, give this video a thumbs up. Share this recipe with your friends. Make it for your family and subscribe to my channel. Till next video, take care. Love you all. Goodbye. So this is the classic chicken club sandwich look, and these are the ones without the egg, and this one, the middle one, is mine with the sides and the crust of the bread slices still on. Enjoy it with any of the chips you have.